दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैपरीतं साहस्रवत्सरतपःसमराभिलव्यै पर्यायनिर्मिततपःसमरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलं दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैपरीतं साहस्रवत्सरतपःसमराभिलव्यै पर्यायनिर्मिततपःसमरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम्. अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मम् त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममध्यवाल्सि शक्रोथ ते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्याङ्गनापरिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम् अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मम् त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममध्यवाल्सि शक्रोथ ते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्याङ्गनापरिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम्.
ഹരേ കൃഷ്ണ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ. നമസ്തേ. ദശകം 16 ശ്ലോകാസ് 3 and 4. ശ്ലോക 3. സഹസ്രവത്സര തപ സമരാഭിലവ്യൈ to be broken with 1,000 years of penance and 1,000 years of war at the same time. Kavachai paritam, body covered with 1,000 coats of armors. Sahasra kavacham daityam, the demon by the name Sahasra Kavacha. Bhavandau, both of you, that is Nara and Narayana. Paryaya Nirmita Tapasamarau. Paryaya Nirmita Tapasamarau. Taking turns to fight and do penance. Shishtaiga Kangadam, left with only one armor. Amum Salilam Nyahadam. Amum Salilam Nyahadam. Killed easily. The meaning of the shloka is Sahasra Kavacha, a demon, obtained 1,000 layers of armors to protect his body while at war with enemies. He also obtained a boon that he could be killed only by someone who could fight him for 1,000 years and at the same time do penance for the same number of years. All this he acquired through severe penance and he became almost immortal and invincible. Now, this explains the reason for the birth of the twins, Nara and Narayana. They took turns to fight the demon for 1,000 years. That is, when Nara fought him, Narayana undertook penance, and when Narayana fought the demon, Nara left for penance. This went on for 1,000 years, and each year one armor of the demon was destroyed or removed. After many years of aggressive combat, the demon Sahasrakavaja was left with only one armor. He was then comfortably eliminated or killed by Naranarayana. Now Shloka 4. Bhadraman Tvam. You, O Lord Guruvairappa, as Narayana Murthy, along with Nara, your brother. Moksha Dharmam Anvacharan, practicing the virtues that lead to liberation and also to lead others in the same path. Upadishan api, advised pious people. Badarikashramam adhyavatsi, Badarikashramam adhyavatsi, lived in Badarikashramam. Atha, thereafter, during that time, Shakra, Lord Indra, Te Shamatapobala Nisahatma, O Lord Guruvairappa, seeing the excessive power of penance and peace that you had acquired, not able to tolerate them, Divyangana Parivrutam Maram Prajighaya, deputed Kamadeva, or the god of love, along with other beautiful maids, to disrupt the penance of Nara and Narayana. The meaning is, O Lord Guruvairappa, you as Narayana Murthy, along with your brother Nara, lived in Badarikashramam in order to practice and preach discipline and virtues that lead to the path of liberation or moksha. Here it may be noted that they preached what they practiced. They walked the talk. They meant what they said. People trust you only when you put your words into action. And this is exactly what Lord Narayana and Nara did, though they transcend the realm of such practices. Thus, they advised and led pious people along the path of moksha or liberation. At that time, Lord Indra was highly disturbed at the spiritual prowess and peace you had acquired through severe penance and austere life. He was green with envy when he saw your spiritual progress. He immediately sent for Kamadeva, the god of love, Cupid, and deputed him along with other celestial beauties to disrupt the penance of Nara and Narayana. Namaste.